Hey guys, welcome out to the shop again today. Got a storage project we got going on, and over the past couple weeks I've been accumulating some PVC pipe that I've been needing to store. Most of the time I've just been taking the sticks and throwing them underneath the shop. I'm up above the ground a little bit, and they've been getting dirty. When I go to pull them out, they're dirty just from the rainwater rushing by them and sweeping dirt near them, and I don't want that anymore. If I go to use it, I don't want to have to worry about cleaning off the pieces of pipe. And then I have some that are getting left in the little sections, and they're getting put together like that. But I want to try to get the PVC all together. That way, if I need 3/4 inch stick or 1/2 inch or an inch stick, I know exactly where it's at. And I feel the best solution is to come up with some kind of thing up in the rafters here. So what I'm going to end up doing is using some parts of a pallet that I picked up a while ago and some spare 2x4s, and we're gonna go ahead and just create a storage section up there so I can shove things up there whenever I need them, and then it's easy to get stuff down. So the first thing that I looked at is if I want to go ahead and put a section up there, say it's a 10-foot full section, I need to be able to bend it up into the area. So I don't want anything in the front of the shop near the door. So I want to be able to come through the door and lift it up, and PVC is fairly flexible, so I can actually arc it up and push it in there. And then, like I said, I have some shorter sections, and if anything is shorter than like a foot or 16 inches, whatever these two rafters are, I'm just going to end up tossing, and I'm going to try to keep all the longer sticks up there. So here is what I've got. I've gotten some of the pieces of the pallets, and there's some spare 2x4s that I had. And first thing first, we need to go ahead and get all of the nails out of this, and then we can get moving with assembling this stuff. So as we're coming up here in the rafters, and I've got one of these pieces, if you put it in here, it doesn't get in the corner very well. And so what I need to do is go ahead and notch out a pretty steep section. That way it can slide in there, and these will go in even further. And I've got this, that these are going to be facing upwards, so that if I have a bigger piece, I can fit it in there as well. So I'm going to go about 1.5 inches up. After I make my 1.5 inch mark, I'm going to come down here to a 5-inch mark, and we'll just connect the two of those, and I'm hoping that that'll be a good enough angle to actually slide into that little gap area, and it won't interfere with the roof. So we're going to check it out real quick. Alright, that's perfect. It's not going to hit the roof at all, and I have plenty of area to go ahead and nail to on that side. And while I'm up here dealing with all this, I can actually go ahead and figure out what my 2x4 is that's going to have to be in here. So we can go ahead and put this back in the hole, and all these pieces are the same length, and we can get this close to the level. And then So I gotta have a 2x4 cut at 11 inches. Now that we've gotten all of the pieces cut, we are going to go ahead and pre-nail all of my 2x4s in. God dang it. I had the pressure high enough because the pieces of the pallet are oak and it's really super hard. So we'll go ahead and try again. We're gonna back up and punt and try to do some pre-drilling. And then, I wonder if I can even get these out. Let me get let me see if this is gonna work. This might not even work either. Then we'll have to rethink. We might have to just go with straight pine, run to the store. I'm just gonna go ahead and knock these two back over. Looks like crap, I understand, but nail gun is just not gonna do it. And then we'll go ahead and get screws in the other ones, and then we'll move on to hanging it. So for hanging it, it'll be a lot simpler to do because I can just rest this over on that corner piece. And that, the 2x4 that we cut sits flush, and the 2x4 we can nail through. So now that's not gonna go, that's not going anywhere. And we've got the next one that we got put up right here, and then one further down for longer pieces. So I think I just knocked like 10 years of woodworking off some of these rafters. But as you can see, I've put some of the PVC pipes that were on the ground in here in the shop. I went ahead and put them up there. And the one thing that you can also do is if you guys have like wooden dowels, something like that, you can throw those up there as well. And then you pretty much have like all your rounds stocked together. But this is a great option if you have longer pieces, maybe wood. You guys can throw wood up there like that. But you got to be careful of where you're putting it, because if you have something longer like a 10-foot wooden dowel, I think I might have some trouble getting up in there. But with PVC pipe, it's very flexible and I can just shove it up in there. I've even got some of these bigger pieces that I can come right from this side and just go ahead and put those in. So now I have all of my PVC pipes all in one section. I know exactly where they are. So now I can see exactly what I have up here in case I have another project like a prior one where I did the water spigot. I didn't know exactly what I had, and I went to the store really not knowing. Turns out I had 3 extra pieces of the 1/2 inch that I could have used here at the house and saved some money. But now everything's visible. It's all up in the roof and out of the way. I like it. I think it's a good storage option, and you could probably get away with doing a 1-by material, but again, this was just something I wanted to make out of scrap. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you guys did, give that a thumbs up. And as always, thank you for watching. If you guys are new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video.